In a move that underscores the deep-rooted brotherhood between the two nations, the United Arab Emirates has officially handed over a list of more than 900 Indian prisoners to the Indian embassy in Abu Dhabi. This release is a part of a grand humanitarian pardon ordered by His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, President of the UAE. The decision originally coincided with the UAE's 54th Eid al-Etihad celebration, a time when the nation reflects on unity and forgiveness. By including a significant number of Indian nationals in the wider release of nearly 3,000 inmates, the UAE has sent a powerful message of goodwill to India and its global diaspora. What makes this pardon truly exceptional is not just a gift of freedom but the removal of financial barriers. His Highness the UAE President has pledged to cover the financial penalties incurred by the inmates as part of their original sentence. By clearing these debts, the UAE government is ensuring that these individuals do not just walk out of prison but walk back into society with a clean slate and no crushing financial weight on their shoulders. They report News Now.